Hey there, science fans! Today we're diving into the world of OriginPro, a powerful software designed for data analysis and graphing. Now, if you're a chemist, this is your new best friend. OriginPro helps you make sense of complex data, create stunning visuals, and present your findings like a pro. Think of OriginPro as your trusty lab assistant, always there to help you analyze experimental results, visualize molecular structures, or model chemical reactions. It's packed with features tailored for chemists, making it easier to handle large data sets, perform advanced calculations, and create publication-quality graphs. Whether you're a seasoned researcher or just starting your chemistry journey, OriginPro can make your life a whole lot easier. It's like having a virtual lab bench at your fingertips, ready to tackle any data challenge you throw at it. So buckle up, because we're about to unlock the power of OriginPro for chemists. Now let's talk about what makes OriginPro so special for chemists. Imagine having a tool that can effortlessly handle all your data analysis and visualization needs. That's OriginPro in a nutshell. First off, OriginPro excels in graphical representation. It allows you to create stunning two-dimensional and three-dimensional graphs of your data, from simple scatter plots to complex contour plots and heat maps. You can customize every aspect of your graphs, from colors and symbols to axes and legends, making sure your data is presented in a clear and visually appealing way. But wait, there's more. OriginPro is also a whiz at curve fitting and peak analysis. It offers a wide range of fitting functions to analyze your data, whether you're dealing with linear regressions, exponential decays, or Gaussian peaks. You can easily identify trends, extract key parameters, and understand the underlying relationships within your data. And if you're dealing with large data sets, OriginPro has your back. It can handle massive amounts of data with ease, allowing you to perform statistical analyses, calculate descriptive statistics, and test hypotheses with just a few clicks. You can even automate repetitive tasks and create custom reports, saving you valuable time and effort. Ready to jump into the world of OriginPro? Great! Getting started is a breeze. First, head over to the Originlab website and download the installer for your operating system. It's available for both Windows and macOS, so no matter your platform, you're good to go. Once the download is complete, double-click the installer and follow the on-screen instructions. You'll need to enter your serial number and product key, which you should have received when you purchased the software. If you're using OriginPro at your university or institution, check with your IT department for installation instructions. After installation, you'll need to activate your copy of OriginPro. This is a simple process that involves connecting to the internet and entering your product key. Once activated, you're all set to start exploring the world of data analysis and visualization with OriginPro. Don't be intimidated by all the features and options. OriginPro is designed to be user-friendly. The interface is intuitive, and there are plenty of tutorials and help resources available online to guide you every step of the way. Section 4. Data Visualization and Analysis. Now let's talk about the heart of OriginPro data visualization and analysis. Importing data is simple. OriginPro supports a wide range of file formats, including CSV, Excel spreadsheets, and even specialized scientific formats. Simply drag and drop your data file into OriginPro, and it'll be imported in a flash. Once your data is imported, the real fun begins. OriginPro offers a plethora of graphing options to visualize your data. Create scatter plots to explore correlations, bar graphs to compare values, line plots to track trends over time, and much more. You can customize every aspect of your graphs, from the axis labels and tick marks to the colors, symbols, and legends. But OriginPro is more than just a pretty face. It's packed with powerful analysis tools to help you extract meaningful insights from your data. Perform linear and non-linear curve fitting. Calculate areas under curves, determine peak positions and widths, and generate reports with just a few clicks. And if you're dealing with complex data sets, OriginPro's advanced analysis tools have you covered. Perform Fourier transforms, smooth your data with various algorithms, and even write your own custom analysis routines using OriginPro's built-in scripting language. Section 5. Resources and Conclusion. Congratulations! You're now well on your way to becoming an OriginPro master. But remember, learning never stops, especially in the ever-evolving world of science. Luckily, Originlab offers a wealth of resources to help you along the way. Their website is chock full of tutorials, webinars, and user forums where you can connect with fellow OriginPro users and experts. You'll find answers to common questions, discover new tips and tricks, and get inspired by the amazing work others are doing with OriginPro. So, what are you waiting for? Dive into the world of OriginPro and unlock the full potential of your data. Whether you're analyzing experimental results, modeling chemical reactions, or simply trying to make sense of complex data sets, OriginPro is the tool for you. Trust me, your inner scientist will thank you.